Get back on track. With the Mini Mobility Set, you can fix a minor tire damage. This efficient repair works for tire damages of up to 4 millimeters. Take the Mini Mobility Set from the storage compartment. Please check the instructions and also make sure to replace the sealant composite container after each use, or when it's best before date is reached. Put on the included protective gloves. Let's begin. Remove the tire valve cap from the damaged tire and the sticker from the air repair switch on the Mobility Set compressor. Remove the cap from the compressor hose and screw the hose end tightly onto the tire valve. Plug the electric connection of the set into the 12V socket of your Mini and switch the vehicle on. Switch the compressor to repair and press the button to inflate the tire. The gauge in the compressor shows the current tire inflation pressure. Your tire needs a pressure of at least 2 bar and at most 2.5 bar. Done? Stop the compressor, remove the hose, put the cap back on and unplug the electric cable. Move the vehicle about 10 meters back and forth to spread the sealant composite inside the tire. Immediately drive for about 3 kilometers at an average speed over 20 kilometers per hour, but at most at 60 kilometers per hour. After the drive, check the tire pressure with the included nanometer. Low pressure? Switch the compressor to air and press the button to start inflating again. If tire pressure rises too high during inflation, release air by pressing the release button. Remember not to exceed 80 km per hour. Put the sticker on the windscreen to inform any driver about the reduced speed limit. Last but not least, please make sure to change the damaged tire as soon as possible. By the way, with the included valve adapters, you can also inflate other devices like bike tires or balls. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.